Kangana Ranaut has again sparked controversy. She's on trend these days for two reasons. One is because of her new film Emergency, and the other is because of her statement on the 2020 farmer protest. In her interview, she compared the farmer protest to the recent Bangladesh protest.
जो बांग्लादेश में हुआ ना, वो यहाँ होते हुए भी देर नहीं लगनी थी अगर हमारे इतने शीर्ष नेतृत्व जो हमारे इतने सशक्त नहीं होते.
She said, which I am quoting, "What happened in Bangladesh could have happened in India if our top leadership was not strong." She also added that the outside forces are planning to destroy us with the help of insiders. The protest was planned like unrest in Bangladesh. Further saying that when farmer protests occurred here, there were bodies hanging and rapes were happening.
यहाँ पे जो फार्मर्स प्रोटेस्ट हुए, वहाँ पे लाशें लटकी थी, वहाँ पे रेप हो रहे थे. और जब वो किसानों के हितकारी बिल जो वापस लिए गए थे, तो पूरा देश जो है वो चौंक गया था. और वो किसान आज भी वहाँ बैठे हैं. उन्होंने कभी सोचा ही नहीं है बिल वापस होगा. वो बड़ी लंबी प्लानिंग थी, जैसे बांग्लादेश में हुई है.
Slammed the actor turned politician Kangana Ranaut for her remark.
बीजेपी की सांसद कंगना रनावत का कहना है कि इस देश के किसान जो अपने हक के लिए, अपने अधिकारों के लिए लड़ रहे थे, प्रदर्शन कर रहे थे, वो असल में बलात्कारी और हत्यारे हैं. या तो इसका खंडन करिए, ये बयान वापस करवाइए, या यही आपका आधिकारिक स्टैंड माना जाएगा. अदरवाइज कंगना रनावत को कान पकड़ के माफी मांगनी चाहिए.
The BJP has distanced itself from her statement. The BJP in a statement has said that the instruction has gone to Kangana Ranaut and that she is not authorized to make any statement on behalf of the party. They also mentioned that it was her personal view and had nothing to do with the party, as the BJP is maintaining the Sabka Saath Sabka Vikas. Surjewala, who hails from Haryana, asked, were these just Kangana's word or did someone else copy them? If not, why are the Prime Minister of the country, the Chief Minister of Haryana and all the BJP MPs and MLAs silent on this issue? To which Haryana Chief Minister Nayab Singh Saini refused to comment and said it was her personal opinion.
हर व्यक्ति की अपनी सोच है. भारतीय जनता पार्टी का उस बयान से कोई भी सरोकार नहीं है, कोई लेना देना नहीं है.
However, the opposition is not happy with the takeover by the BJP. They have demanded official apologies from Prime Minister Modi.